Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Meet again with me, Chandra Dwi Fariza. On this occasion, I will try to explain about the welding procedure of two plates using Smaw welding type or shielded metal arc welding. We need to know Smaw welding is an electric welding that uses electrodes as a connecting medium. This welding method is often used, for example, for welding fences, pipes, canopies, and so on. The following is a welding procedure of two plates using Smaw welding. First, prepare two plates and tools used for welding. Second, wearing protective clothing such as gloves, welding helmet, mask, cable bag, and also safety shoes. Position the plate as desired on the welding table. 4. Connecting cable with negative current from welding machine to welding table. 5. Connecting the electrode. Place cable with positive current. Make sure the electrode connected to the positive current does not touch the welding table or plate. 6. Turn on the welding machine and set the ampere used for welding. 7. Perform tack weld at the end of the plate to keep the plate from moving when welding process. 8. Welding from sideways, left to right, with zigzag movement up and down. 9. In the process of applying, try the angle formed between the electrode and the plate that is 45 degrees. And last, when welding is complete and the weld results are good, clean the cracks with a steel brush and chipping hammer. Be careful of the welding plate because it is very hot. Do not hold it with your bare hands. So, the delivery of welding procedures using Smaw welding for me. If there is a wrong word, I apologize. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you next video.